wanted to integrate the cedar from the facade of their house into an outdoor kitchen, but we didn't want to do it in a fake or false way. In Smith House, we always want to be as authentic as possible. So if a beam is supposed to be a beam and it's supposed to look like cedar, make it a cedar beam. Just being really honest with the materials. So we took the cedar beams, connected them to cedar columns, and then put these big chunky cedar rafters on. And then we had to put a cedar roof on top of that. That is also the ceiling. So there's not very many products that we can use that will give us the structural strength to act as the roof and the cosmetic beauty of a clear cedar ceiling. Even in 100% cedar, you're going to have knots in even a select grade. It's just very expensive and very hard to find a product that is completely clear. And that's where, Rainier plank came in. So what I like most about Rainier plank is it allows me to be authentic while not breaking the bank. Because it's an engineered wood product, it's structurally sound and straight, and for a fraction of the cost of trying to do it with 100% clear cedar. The homeowners absolutely love the whole structure. They specifically love the ceiling. It's just night and day with the 100% cedar ceiling.